In this video, I'll explain how to use the initial assessment section of the tracker. It might be helpful to watch video 2 titled How to Use the Tracker, the Basics, before you watch this video. The purpose for this tab, Initial Assessment, is for the initial assessment of the pupil. Much like the main tracker tab, the Initial Assessment tab is also divided into 4 skills. We can see these on the left-hand side here. They are listening, speaking, reading and viewing, and writing. The tab is then divided into 2 further sections. Initial assessment of your learner on the left, and a space to set targets on the right. Whilst the main tracker tab spans 3 terms, the Initial Assessment tab only provides space for the first assessment of the learner. Here, on the Initial Assessment tab, there are 10 spaces for you to record what your learner can do in each skill. In the main tracker tab, we have allocated 8 spaces per skill rather than 10. The reason we have 10 spaces here is that you may have more to record on your initial assessment. Once again, you do not need to complete all the boxes. We suggest you complete as many as is appropriate for your learner based on the evidence that you have. To find out how to record initial assessment, watch video 5 titled How to Record Progress Using the Tracker. To find out how to set targets, watch video 6 titled How to Set Targets Using the Tracker.